Hi, my name's MJ and this is the Dr. Trust PVC yoga mat. It comes in this nice carrying case. And some of the great features or benefits of this mat is being able to have a mat that has good grip, easy to clean, and is lightweight. So we're just gonna roll this mat out. Super easy to set down and get started. Just gonna make it nice and flat at the top. And this is super great for any of your stretching, yoga, or Pilates activities. It gives you great grip and nice comfort when you're using it.
Fitness is a mental game, and regret is that inner demon we all share. You can think about what you should do. You can think about what you could do. And you can think about what you would have done. But your body won't go where your mind won't push it.
Dr. Trust. Trusted for life.